This video is part of the ControlMySpa series, and it will show you what is and how to use and how to obtain your CMS code. Just as a review from previous videos in our introduction video, we're going to review the 4 types of CMS user accounts. There is an OEM user account, there's a dealer user account, and there's an owner user account. There's also, parallel to the owner account, a showroom spa account, which is simply a temporary owner account used by salespeople like dealers or OEMs to demo the ControlMySpa system at a showroom or trade show, and that can easily be overwritten by a new user. So also part of this is a hierarchy. The OEM accounts are created by the ControlMySpa admin at Balboa Water Group. Contact Balboa Water Group if you want to have your OEM account set up. The OEM account can see all the spas in the hierarchy. They can see all the spas that belong to all dealers and all owners. They can't control them, but they can find out information about those spas, what the current status is, what the faults are, to help troubleshoot. The dealers are set up by the OEMs. It's a one-time deal. The OEMs set up the dealers one time. The dealers can see, dealer A can see all of their spa owners, but dealer A cannot see, in this example here, any of dealer B's spas or dealer C's spas. They cannot modify, just like the OEM, any of the settings on the spas, but they can't get the settings. They can find out what the temperatures are, what the fault logs are, etc., etc. The spa owner has an individual spa owner account, and parallel to that, a showroom spa account is just like a spa owner account. It's just temporary. They can only see the information on their individual spa. And the spa owner accounts are what you need to either log into the website or log into the apps. The apps on both Google Play, Android, or iOS on the App Store, the ControlMySpa apps can only be used by the spa owner. That's what they're designed to be used by. And the only accounts that can log into the apps are the spa owner accounts or a showroom spa account. So, what is a CMS code? A CMS code is an 8-digit leaded number combination that is created by the ControlMySpa system automatically when OEMs set up dealers. And it must be given to all spa owners when they buy a spa to set up ControlMySpa system. The CMS code links the spa owner to the spa dealer and the spa OEM. All spa owners need a CMS code to set up and connect their spas within the ControlMySpa system database. And the CMS code for each OEM and dealer combination, it's never going to change. So it's a one-time deal. The CMS codes are random numbers assigned automatically in the ControlMySpa system website when OEM and dealer accounts are first created. CMS code enables the spas to be viewed in the ControlMySpa database by the dealer and the OEM. When a dealer buys a spas from multiple OEMs, the dealer will have different CMS codes for each OEM. And if an OEM chooses to sell direct to spa owners, like in a factory store, they can set up a dealer of themselves within that OEM account. They would just set that up with a different email address. Here's an example CMS code, ABC12345. The ABC is a 3-digit code unique to each spa manufacturer OEM. Some case that's done as distributors, some cases on a case-by-case basis. And each dealer has a code 12345 that comes after the OEM code. So let's see an example of logging into a website. I am logged in as an OEM now. Now, my dealers may call me and say, what's my CMS code? Well, you can look yourself and find out what it is. You go into Manage Dealers. These are all of my dealers, and my CMS code for my dealer is right here. It's PIT, and then the PIT is unique to this one OEM. So you can see they're both PIT. And then the 5-digit code for these two dealers are here within the website. But the dealer doesn't need to call you and ask you. They can log in and find out themselves. So let me log in, and I will pause it for a second and log in as a dealer. Okay, I have now logged in as a dealer with the email address or username and then password for one of the 2 dealers that were part of that OEM. Okay? So if I want to find out what my CMS code is, I'm a dealer, the first thing I would do over here is to manage business. And if you scroll down on manage business, my CMS code is right here. Okay? That's where your CMS code, every single dealer, the CMS code is there. Now, let's say you have customers that say, what's the CMS codes I use? You can automatically send them an invitation right here. If you go to these 3 bars and go send owner invite, you enter the email address of the owner or whoever you want to, anybody, and you press send only inside the dealer accounts. This send owner invite only exists inside the dealer accounts. After you press send, an automated email message will be sent out to the individual owner, and they can see the CMS code and use that to set up. Thank you, and tune in for future videos.